We know that funding your college education can be stressful. As you start your journey at Brookdale, we want to make sure that you take advantage of every financial assistance available to you. We are here to help. Here's the director of Brookdale's Financial Aid Department to help you learn more.
Hi, my name is Stephanie Fitzsimmons. I'm the Director of Financial Aid here at Brookdale Community College. My job today is to encourage you to complete the FAFSA. I know that you can do it. It's not that hard. You can complete your FAFSA on fafsa.gov, the Federal Student Aid website, where there's lots of information about financial aid. In addition, we will be having an open house on October 21st. Between 3 and 4 will be a financial aid session, and you'll be welcome to join me and ask me questions one-on-one and hear what other people are asking and learn lots more information about the FAFSA. In addition, you can ask questions through our FA Office email, which is faoffice@brookdalecc.edu. We can answer your questions there. And please go onto the Brookdale website where there's a financial aid page loaded with lots of information. I really think it's important that you complete the FAFSA because you are going to start to get offers from colleges around the end of the winter in terms of what other colleges might be willing to offer you in terms of financial aid funding, and you want to compare those to see what might be the best option for you and your student. Welcome, and we'll see you on the 21st.
To get to know some of our other academic institutes and services, be sure to check out our other videos. We look forward to seeing you at our open house, where you can speak to our faculty, deans, and other department representatives. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you around campus.